What if someone got in trouble for something I did?
And only I knew the truth. That was the day I learned how heavy a secret can feel.
I just wanted everything to look perfect.
Lucas?
I didn't mean to.
It's okay. Accidents happen.
Okay.
This isn't just a broken jar anymore. It's something else.
It felt small at first, like a pebble. I'll help clean up tomorrow. It was my fault.
Thank you, Lucas. That's very responsible.
It wasn't a pebble anymore. It was a stone.
You seem quiet tonight.
I'm just tired. I once said I brushed my teeth when I hadn't. This feels different.
I keep seeing it. It was me. The truth feels bigger than the room. Everything looks normal.
But it doesn't feel normal.
Being honest means doing the right thing, even when it feels uncomfortable.
She's not talking about the jar. No, but it feels like she is.
If I stay quiet, the day just moves on. But Lucas still carries it.
I need to say it. It was me. The jar, I knocked it over. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Thank you for telling the truth. Being honest takes courage. I'm proud of you for speaking up. It's okay.
Need help? Oops.
Let's keep the glitter on the table this time.
It feels different now. Teamwork?
Teamwork. I made a mistake.
I was scared. But I told the truth.
And that matters.
Mistakes happen.
Hiding them makes them heavier.
But telling the truth makes your heart light.
It wasn't about a broken jar. It was about being honest. Secrets grow heavier the longer we carry them.
If you're holding something heavy, maybe it's time to tell the truth.